Si ano. Sige lang. Parang tour na din to.
Please welcome aboard the Eager.
Walk with, go follow the... Sa 11 daw yung buffet.
Hindi natin ma-miss yung ano. Dapat picture tayo dito. Dali, dali.
Wash your hands. Come on.
Welcome. Bienvenido. Anywhere you like to sit, okay?
Thank you. Video, video. Video. Video, video. Yun.
Yeah, punta na tayo. Balik. Balik tayo. Oy, saan yung ano?
Mamaya na ako mag-tour ng room.
I-tour mo na ngayon. Dali na.
Mamaya na. So guys,
Just wear your shoes.
so itong
So that when
ano,
you get on the bed, you can put your
Room.
socks and keep your socks clean.
itong cabinet.
If your socks are dirty,
This is our shower. Excuse Jen, magtutour ako.
oy, paggabi, oy,
Mm.
oy.
Wow.
Oh, tara, tara.
Thank you.
So, if you have any leg pain, knee pain, arthritis, sciatic pain, and also any like digestive problems, emotional disorder, specializes in our detox, deep